Hey friend, so if you are working in multiple studios on a project or just want to collaborate with a friend, it's really important to know how to share your work. In this video today, I want to show you 3 different ways to collaborate with people using Studio One. Let's jump in. Okay, so the first method is to import and export your stems directly, and this will work with any DAW across all platforms. So to do this in Studio One, first I want to show you how to export your stems. So what you're going to do is you're going to go up to the top, and in the drop-down menu under Song, you click Export Stems. And it will bring you to this window, and here you can choose to export your different channels or just your tracks, okay? And you can choose here, I'm going to choose tracks, and then here you're going to check off all the ones that you want, and I usually check them all off if I'm going to export all of the different stems. And then here you can just choose what kind of format you're going to want to export as. I keep it as is, as WAV file 24-bit, because you want to just make sure that you're exporting at the highest bit rate that you recorded it at, and sample rate, and then this is your location. And then here is really important. You want to make sure you're to export the correct amount or the range. You want to do the full track. So I usually choose between loop, and then I set the loop for the entire duration of this song. Okay, so if someone is sending you the stems, the easiest way to do it is to just drag them directly into Studio One. So I have a brand new blank slate open here project. I'm going to select all of these stems, and then I'm just going to drag them directly into Studio One. And then Studio One will automatically import them, and it's kind of cool. They choose a different color for each track so you can easily see them. And if I go to this toggle view, I can see all of the different tracks, and I'm ready to work. The only thing with this is you just want to make sure to definitely go back to the start, and then also check with the person who's sending it to you what the BPM is so that you can just put that in the tempo down below. Okay, so the second method is sharing the actual project information with someone who's also using Studio One. I have a folder open up here, and the main thing with this is you want to make sure that you're selecting all of the information here. So you're exporting or uploading the media data as well as the history and the cache. Because if you just share with someone the Studio One song project, it's not going to also share with them all of the different audio files as well. So you want to make sure when you're exporting this or uploading this to, say, Dropbox or Google Drive, you just make sure that you upload all of these different folders to Google Drive or Dropbox or whatever you're using to share your project. That way they can download all of those and then open up the project that way, and it will link all the audio files to that project. Hey, if you don't know me, my name is Eric Miller, and I help home studio owners write, record, and produce amazing music. So if you're finding value in this video, I'd so appreciate it if you could subscribe. Okay, so the third way to share your work using Studio One is their brand new Collaborate feature, and this is only available if you're using Studio One Plus, but it's super cool because you can actually collaborate on the same project almost in real time. So what you're going to want to do is go up to the top, and so if you have your project that you want to collaborate on, you go up to the top on the drop-down menu. Under File, there's a little section that says Collaboration. Okay, and here you can either click Join or Share. I'm going to click Share, and the document for this saved file operation. Would you like to proceed? Yes. So what it's going to do is it's going to open up this window, and basically in here what you're going to do is just name it whatever you're going to name it right here, and then here you type in the person's email address that they're going to be you're going to be sending it to, and then just click Invite, and then it will send them an invite link. It's really cool. And then you have these workspaces up here. So these are different people that I've actually collaborated with already. So you can kind of see and manage all of that from there. And then all they have to do is once they've worked on their file, they can update it on their end. And you can then download those files. So it's almost like skipping the step that the Google Drive or Dropbox would do for you. If you are looking for somewhere to collaborate and share your music, I actually have a club. It's called the Miller Music Club. It's designed for home studio owners, songwriters, producers, guitar players to write, record, and share their music and learn together. So you can join the club for free right now. Just click the link in the description below. It's the Miller Music Club, and I'll see you on the next video.